My introduction, I am Major R.S. Sharma, retired, and I am managing and handling the Defence Academy of Target Point, Jaipur. Because of my defence career and the various installations and various units and formation headquarters, and also the various types of examinations and ground testings of the candidates, I am handling this institute smoothly and very nicely, and its results are really very interesting. In the last year's batch, X and Y selection centers, I had about 35 candidates in the training. I imparted the training in physical as well as group discussion and other tests. So out of 35 candidates, nearly 29 candidates were got through the SSB, through the boards, selection boards. And they were all medically fit, and they joined their training courses in the Air Force from 2nd July of this year. It's really fortunate, and it is because of efforts, me and of my team, that they have been successful. So, we are imparting coaching and training and the guidance to the SSB candidates, guiding them for whole test and type of examinations for 5 days, in which psychological tests, ground testing officers test, and the president interviews test, and last final conference. We are guiding in such a manner, practical manner, that the candidates, those who are even weak, but they have the qualities, they have the possess the qualities of an officer material. But because of lack of guidance, most of the candidates are not getting through the SSB. Whereas me and my team is providing such a tips and improving their skills in such a level that they are really able to prove their performance in the SSBs, and most of the candidates, they are getting through. So Target Point, I want to introduce Target Point. Target Point means one must have a target in the lives of the individual. Individual concerned must have such a aim, such a target, that what I have to become. Those who are interested in the leadership of the defense services, they are most welcome to us. Because of corona atmosphere throughout the world, all the institutions and colleges, schools are banned to stop the spread of the disease to the maximum people. So for the safety and sake of taking precautions, these are not getting through. And those candidates who are getting the SSB interviews, they are not able to get proper guidance physically while attending the institutes. So now we have planned to introduce the education, training, and the desired tips to the candidates online. Those who are interested to make their career in defense services, in Air Force X and Y examinations, and the SSB interviews for NDA, for technical groups, for short service commissions, for regular commissions, all types of commissions, SSB interviews are handled by me personally. So those who are interested, they are most welcome. They will really enjoy the training and the tips and the leadership qualities which I give them in the duration of 2 to 3 weeks. I am providing them opportunity to get training, physical training also, in which running, bandage stitch, and so on, such trainings are given, climbing the rope. So physical fitness is also required, as well as the desired officers' qualities, tips. So once again, those who are interested to take coaching training online from the institute, they are most welcome. Their contact numbers will be given and they can be guided properly to face such an interviews and the examinations. That's all.